Installing virtual machine with Ubuntu OS.
You will need to download these Oracle VirtualBox Ubuntu OS. First step, restart your PC or laptop and enter BIOS mode. Go to Advanced. Intel virtualization technology must be enabled. Save and exit. Install VirtualBox. Installation may take a while due to laptop is processing slow. Fast forward. Once installed, click New to add a profile. Enter any name you want. Type should be in Linux. Version should be in Ubuntu depending on your device, if 30 to 64-bit. Memory size will depend on your memory, but 2048 megabytes is good. Create a virtual hard disk. Choose VDI file type. Dynamically allocated is recommended. File location and size, 20 gigabytes is recommended. Your profile will show. Next, click Settings and set processor to 3- for cores depending on your device. It will let you select the startup disk. Click Add and find the Ubuntu OS you downloaded. Now we are in. Install Ubuntu. I chose minimal installation. It will ask you to erase disk, but no worries, it is a virtual disk only. Choose your location. Create an account. Wait for it finish installing. Once finished, restart now. Fast forward again equals. Tada! Ubuntu successfully installed Envim machine.
So we're done. We're done. Okay, Excel. Skip.
Like and share.